This is Fortress 350 made by QJ Motor, a Chinese scooter that we have it already few days, so we have a good opinion about it, and also we have ride it in a different version because this scooter is based in the same frame and the same engine with a BMW C400 GT and X, and also is existing as a Vodge SR4. What we got in this scooter? This is a really rich scooter. First of all, we have a card for a key, and we got an eye here that from this eye, with this card, you can open the scooter, and also if you keep it continuously on the eye, you open the saddle. The saddle inside is got enough space at least for one very big helmet, one big jet helmet or a medium full face helmet, and a lot of things between. Also it's got hydraulic adjuster that keeps the saddle up, and except this card you can use it also typical with a key. You can open it, close it and lock it with a key, and open the saddle by the side with the key. So I put the key now back in my pocket. What we got? We got an electric windscreen that is going up and down. Remember, if you close it, the position that you have it before and going straight in the place that you have it before. You got two places to put few things, not so big, here and here. Also the refueling is happening from here, and you got a lot of space for the legs of the rider and the second rider. You got very big handles, and also you got ready positions for the top box. We got a double stand, we got a single stand, and I'm going on it. Do I feel comfortable? Yes. The saddle is excellent saddle. I feel very comfortable. I have a lot of space for my legs. I am excellent protected by the windscreen. I have a good view back by the mirrors, and I have a tablet. We don't say clock anymore. Tablet that it's a big one in this size, and with many functions on it. Okay, this is our 7-inch TFT screen. From the right you can see first the fuel level, then you can see the temperature level, then in the middle you see the kilometers of speed. Down of it we got a trip A, We got, of course, on the left side, as I see the RPM counter, we got few biblique up. You can see also the temperature of the oil. We got the pressure of the tires, and I have in my left hand the enter button that I'm going inside the menu, and I can move in clock settings, bright settings, and language, and Bluetooth, and etc. But I will go in interface. I lose it. I will go again to interface. Okay, that I can choose if I want this screen that I have, or I can go to the racing. That is something like this. I will go to see it, one racing, and it's that. That is a little bit more wide. I have by the right side the RPM counter. That's it. Okay, it's good, nice, I like it. Let's see what is going on with Georgia. Georgia, please. We got a nice hot saddle for Georgia.
Ooh. It's hot, but it's royal.
It's nice, yes?
Very big, very nice, very fat, very good handles. The place here for the legs and the foot is fantastic.
You can make the round of the world with
yes.
this saddle, yes?
Let's sit on a couch.
Nicely, love it. Also, everything is in the right position, and inside we got a bit of light at night. Hollywood, Hollywood, Hollywood. Do I forget anything? Ah, of course we got inside also USB chargers. I feel very comfortable. I have a good view back and I'm well protected. The sound of the engine is nice. Okay, let's go now. We are moving, we have vibrations, and we change directions. I can say very easy, and the brakes are amazing. The performance is the right performance for the category. Okay, what we got here? We got a 4-stroke single liquid cool engine that produce 33.2 horses at 7,500 RPM, 35.5 Nm at 6,000 RPM. It's got the consumption of 3.6 liters by the book. I think that is using something like a 3.4, at least this is what I have seen, per 100 kilometers. And it's got 14 liters tank, and all the bike with all the liquid is 213 kilos. So, it's a nice engine. It's feeling fine in the national street. You can move with a 2-person and 100 kilometers all over the world easily and economically. Even if we didn't press it because this is a brand new and we don't give it a full throttle, you will see that it's got very good results from bridge to bridge. And I think that the engine, it's what must be for this motorcycle scooter. What we got here? We got a really beautiful face with a big windscreen that is going up and down electric, with the daylights here, with the flashlights here, and the central lights that they are very powerful here. I see a fork that it's big enough. It's okay for 34 horses. And we got the radiator of the engine down here. We got very good brakes, of course with ABS, that they got a 2 4-piston caliber brakes. Back we got a single piston caliber, and we got a fresh and good Pirelli tires. I like it a lot. This is for sure the braking is the best part of this bike. Quality. Let's see the quality. What we got? It's a bike that looks okay. We got a white perla color, a bit of perla, not a lot of perla, and fits good. Let's see the black plastics now. fits nice. The saddle, it's okay. Nice and fat saddle. Everything looks okay. Of course, this bike is a brand new. I don't know what's going to happen in 1 month, in 1 year, in 2 years, but everything looks okay, and I consider that it's a good made motorcycle. Finally, what we got here? We got a big and comfortable GT scooter that you can make the round of the world with 1 or 2 persons. At least the saddle and all the bike, it's good enough for it. It's a good made, it's got a technology, it's got a powerful engine for the category, it's amazing safe, the brakes are excellent, it's cornering nice, you got all the luxury that you need, and for sure it's the value of money in amazing level. Excellent. Don't forget that this scooter is based in one of the best scooters that now is existing in market. By the other hand, you don't have a handbrake, you don't have a hook, and you have to play with this cart. Of course, it's good to forget the cart and do it with a key. But this is life. So, Georgia, please come and tell us your opinion. Georgia. Georgia.
Yes.
Tell us.
Well, loved it. It has a great engine. It goes very fast. It's very safe. I feel very safe. I like the clock, the tablet.
The tablet.
Everything, it was fine. I didn't like the shaking a little bit sometimes.
No, not shaking, vibrations.
The vibrations.
Not shaking,
yes.
Is not shaking. It's got vibrations from the engine in the low RPM.
Yes.
Not shaking.
Yes, not
it's
shaking.
completely different thing.
Yes.
Okay, and the look?
The look, I like it. Yes, I like it. I like the look.
He's got the look. Sweden, Roxette.
Ah.
Poetry. Σε ένα πλακόστρωτο εκάθισα να πιω πορτοκαλάδα και εκεί που καθόμουνα με κάλυψε μια περικοκλάδα. Είναι και φυσιολατρικό.
Καλά σου κάνε.
Όμως εγώ δεν τρόμαξα και κάθισα λιγάκι, ώσπου και τελικά πέρασε ένα καλό μηχανάκι. Μηχανάκι, τι άλλο. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Georgia and Ioannis for Kokina Freggaria Motorcycle Rock Show. This is amazing, 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 amazing motorcycle show.
Are you stuttering?
Probably this is the last video of the season. Then we will start the summer videos, you know, yeah, interviews and classics and etc.